So today on the channel, we're going to be unboxing a cool Hot Wheels Hauler series car, or truck, or whatever it's called. It's a fire truck, actually. It's from the Hot Wheels Hauler series, Track Stars. So this is a track truck. That's what the identification for it is. It's the Firehouse Fueler. It's a 2021 Hot Wheels casting. It has a 2019 copyright. That's just for the cards. Sometimes the copyrights are a little off. But it's a cool casting. Firehouse Fueler. And I got this on my Dollar General. Maybe like a week ago or so. And this was $6. I mean, like $6. You can buy 6 vehicles with that. But it's a Track Star truck. GRV13 is the number. Pretty cool casting. You just gotta pick out the corner and then like kind of rip it up here. Comes right out. And that ladder actually moves. Nice open. Not too bad of an open. It's cool. Just gotta see how well the wheels spin. They all spin well. It's a trailer truck, basically. 8 wheels. There's a nice look at it. The Firehouse Fueler, so it's a really big truck. And does not come off. Alright, let's take a look at the cab first. These are all 5-spoke wheels. And you can see the tampos right there. Nice tampos. Love the detail on these. Gotta have like $6 details on these. And look at that engine. And skinny wheels in the front. There's the front of the casting right there. This is pretty cool. And we got that right there. Same tampos. That's the cab. And here is the trailer. 68 Firehouse Fueler. That's the name of the casting. And very cool. We got chrome engine. Or no, that's the chrome like controls or whatever. And this whole piece is plastic, actually. I think the base on the trailer is metal. Yeah, the base on the trailer is metal. The metal on the cab is on the top. That ladder moves up. Oh, I just popped it right off. It goes back on. Just like that. So it does move up and down, but if you're too harsh on it, it'll pop right off. But thankfully, it goes right back on. White ladder. Cool designs in there. You can actually put like fire trucks or whatever. It's like a trailer. You can put like stuff in it. And Firehouse Fueler. This is a cool track truck. This would be really cool on the track. $6 truck, not too bad. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more. Just looked at a track truck, the Firehouse Fueler. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe.